Now I have to ask you, today was a day filled with surprises and upsets. We saw incredibly fast games. We saw Rafael in the mid lane. I gotta ask you, what do you think about the meta right now?
Yung meta ngayon, ano talaga depende sa team kung may sarili-sariling meta yung mga teams ngayon and wala talagang sinusunod na meta. Yung ngayon, kumbaga kung anong strength mo yung lalaroin mo.
Isn't that as of now, that's actually
Now it's gonna drop down. Now Calva's a part of the fight. He wants to get the stacks he's looking for. Doom's in a defensive